What up, use poos? This is your boy Dunkman teaching you idiots how to make rice with only one simple ingredient, the rice. So let's go through what you need. You've got a Zojirushi rice cooker. This is the NP-HCC10. It is 5 cups. It is good. It cooks, this will feed maybe 300-400 people. It's good. So let's start left to right. Rice cooker, a little bit of salt, a little bit of rice bran oil. The rice, my wife wrote sushi rice on it, but it is in fact Tamaki Gold from California. This is used to wash the rice, and also some bay leaves. Let's get started. First off, you're going to measure out some rice. This is the rice cooker. This is the rice cup that comes with the rice. It is 6 ounces, even though they call it 1 cup. It is in fact 3/4 of a cup all the way to the top. So you get your 1 scoop. We're just going to do 1 scoop now. A little bit less, dump it in your rice washer. Eyeball out the rest of that cup, dump it in here. Here's how I wash my rice, with some water. Awesome. There you go. So get that going. Swirl it around some. Let that drain. Do it again. And what you're getting out here is the all the starch that's on the rice. And you can't see it today on the video, but it's kind of cloudy, a little bit bubbly. Soaking the rice kind of has its effect, but you really just want to wash it. I usually wash it a little bit more than this. Violently agitate it with my fingers when it has water in it, but like it's for a video, so let's show you what that looks like. So get water in there. Do that. That will help. This is a special, extremely expensive rice washer. It costs about $2. Any Asian store will have it. All right, so then, boom, pop this B. Dump that in here. The thing about it being plastic is you can bang it on the nonstick. So, hard to do one-handed, but there you go. All right. You don't have to use distilled water for this, but some people do. I think that's weird, but you can do what you want. So fill it up to the 1 line. I live at like 200 feet above sea level, so if you are in wherever, say Denver, probably add a little bit more water. All right, boom, right at 1. Okay, add in a little bit of salt. This is, I don't know, 1/8 of a teaspoon. A little bit of rice bran oil. Like, I don't know, again, 1/2 teaspoon maybe. And since we're going fancy, a bay leaf. It's hard to do one-handed. Sure. All right, and then you kind of want to mix that up a little bit to get that all together. Oil mixed up with the rice. It will totally, when this cooks, the oil gets everywhere because like the volume increases massively. All right, so let's go. Boom. So since the white rice is the default setting right here, you can just hit regular. That takes about 54 minutes, but I'm lazy, so I'm gonna cancel that. Hit menu, go to quick, and it will just heat up faster. So that's it, and I'll show you what this looks like in 35 minutes. Actually, it's closer to 27, because once it gets down to like 10 minutes, it like goes to like 2 and then 1, and then it's done. And you can hear it.